Alright. I gotta say good afternoon. Look. We got a little windstorm happening here today. It's kind of a bit breezy. We've got winds that are kind of blowing at about 40 miles an hour. If you can see it around here. So it comes and goes, 40 miles an hour. They're predicting it to go up to 60 or 70. So needless to say, it's not raining yet, but it's gonna get there. This is getting crazy. So we'll keep you posted. Keep you posted. It's blowing. It's blowing pretty good. We got some big, they call them widow makers in a big tree up, the big tree there. I'm pointing to it, where am I? I'm pointing to it right there. That tree right there. Got some big old branches stuck up in there. We've got a lot of trees down there that we've had neighbors cut a lot of the trees down. They're selling property. And I think there's going to be a lot of those are going to come down the anticipate to come down. It's getting